Podcast podcast, and today we're going to do a reaction video for the documentary I Identify by Independent Vets.
And afterwards, we will evaluate if our insight interaction created. Sige.
My mother used to call me bluish, like black and Jewish.
We identify as kindred.
I identify very strongly with not being gendered.
Straight, white, male.
Taiwanese American woman.
Somebody who likes to read and write.
African American.
Native American.
American Muslim.
Brother.
Tomboy.
Transgender.
Gay. Spirit.
Latina. Capoeirista, dancer, singer.
East Coaster.
American Muslim Pakistani.
Gardener.
Parent.
Mom.
We identify as one, we identify as many.
As much as we construct an identity, it's only as much of a thing that we have control over when people agree with that.
I was a cocktail waitress and I worked in Fisherman's Wharf, and Med would place bets on my ethnic background. I would tell them what I was and they would say, no, you are not that. And then I would say, well, yes, I am. I'm a member of the Upper Mattapanai tribe of the Powhatan Nation. They had an assumption about me and it never fit what they thought I was. I think when somebody asks you the question, what are you? You can stop and say, what are you? It's a question that when put back on somebody, then I think it makes them stop and think.
I have no control how others perceive me. I can manipulate my aesthetic to calibrate against the audience, to change how they might perceive me. And so, for example, if I'm talking to somebody who comes from a very particular kind of waspy background, I can calibrate my aesthetic, the way I speak, the things I talk about, to appear well-cultured to them, like a Renaissance person. I can change languages, I can do a variety of things. There's a cost to doing that. As women of color, as black women, we get small in front of white people, for example, because we know it's going to make them more comfortable, but the cost is that we're making ourselves small. But the way I control it is I am intentional about my actions. I evaluate the choices I'm making and the cost or the benefit of those choices. And ultimately, I think as long as I feel like I'm controlling my own narrative, I am being perceived and viewed the way that's important to me, no matter the outcome, and that I get to define myself, then that's where the power or sort of the healthy side of that equation stays with me.
So I don't play basketball at all. It's not as though I didn't play it as a kid, but I know from my experience in high school, people identify me as that black guy who's then gonna, play basketball. So being out on the playground, oh, let's pick him for a team, right? And for me, part of it was like, I'm just not gonna be that. Partially because I wasn't all that interested in playing basketball, but I also didn't want to be reduced to a caricature or stereotype.
None of us are one thing in total. We're sort of slices of identity.
Growing up with a Jamaican father, Choctaw and Southern black mama, I had the opportunity to experience fluidity as a bicultural person.
I am my parents' struggle when they came here from Pakistan. I am my grandparents when they had to go from India to Pakistan, during the partition. I am the Simpsons episodes that I grew up on.
That informed me and gave me a lot of my direction around conversations that happened later on in life, when it was explained to me that I am Negroid, when it was explained to me that I am cisgendered female, when it was explained to me that I come from a certain SES, in terms of my family's financial status as I was growing up. And I decided that none of that actually was true.
At some point, you just kind of stop caring what other people think, because in the end, I have to live with myself, and I don't want to pretend to be somebody I'm not, because if I pretend to be somebody I'm not, then there's nobody out there who's going to pretend to be me, and I don't want to miss out on that.
To evaluate psychological view of self. Kaya ito, dokumentary, giganahan ka wala.
Ginan ko. Gets ko siya sa point, especially kung giingon bitaw sa itong giingon ba sa first nga person ba itong ito be we identify as one, we identify as many, as much as we construct an identity, it's only as much of a thing that we have control over when people agree. Kato ba nga statement mo sa first nga guy itong just because we identify as napanganak ta doesn't really define us one again throughout life mo ba?
So, di ba sa philosophical na view kay lang about what they think yun, like sa ilahang kaugalingon, tapos, like, murag ganito sa documentary kay, kung ano ba, like, murag kina-portray bitaw nga what force, sa nga force defines you, like, what makes you you, what makes me, tapos sa ilahang mga answer kay, like, I'm a Black American, I'm a Jewish person, I'm dancer, I'm a singer, ganun po, like, that's also yun, ilahang philosophical view of themselves, and sociological, kaya like, kanamurag impact sa other person, sa other people around you, and like, lagi katong, kung lagi ba katong bartender siya ba to? Nga, like, gina-guess sa mga lalaki kung sa iyang ethnic background. I think ito mabilong sociologically. Tapos kato kung, like, gina-guess sa iyang kung sa iyang gender and no one got it right even.
So, kung parts nga, assume sila sa iyang ethnic background, tapos, while gi-correct niya ang ilahang mga guesses, napod sila yung part sila nga i-reject na yung own statement, yun ba? Katong, they had an assumption pero it never fit what they thought they saw her. Ano ba? Man katupong
gina-reject sa other.
Yeah. Man especially katong black man, katong throughout his life daw kay sa ako iyahan daw high school days kay he was thought of as based katong lalaki nga maayo mo basketball kasi bitaw, and they thought nga maayo siya basketball just because of its ethnicity. Man, of course his tall, is big, tapos
kanang stereotypes kaysa sociological po na siya mabilong, no?
Yeah.
Kanang mga stereotypes about a person, ganun.
Yeah. Tapos, when it comes to psychological, I think ma-apply yapon sa psychological ang development sa katao when it comes to what they identify as development nila ba? Development sa ilang mindset, sa ilang identity, sa ilang background na yun. As a whole na yun. Yeah. Tapos,
like their attitude sa ilahang situation yung kakaano.
It's like one yun.
And then sa anthropological, though wala may ka na murag direct na anthropological effect sa view of self. Maybe like katong sa mga member atong documentary nga like ilahang parents ang ilahang parents ang maigaingon sa ilaha. Like for example, if they don't know nga you're Taiwanese, it's your to educate them inana kay ikaw may bago there sa America ganun inana. So I think kanto nga part sa katong sa babae kay dara na siya mabilong sa anthropological.
Ito pong part na about atong I think atong woman of color bitaw nga ato siya i-state ato nga by embracing their truthfulness bitaw kay is the cause of making themselves small katong in comparison bitaw nga by expressing their blackness kay kaning mga white men ba kay ma-feel nilang superior sila, and while ang women of color kay ma-inferior sila man. However, by making themselves confident naman kanang silang pagka-genuine gid nga women of color, ang cause ano kay by making themselves feel small. Yeah, that's that. Sige.
Oh, then tama po kay anthropologically kay during like sa history manggaling when it comes to between white people and black people kay like kanang ipadayon na nila like
Yeah, there's
black
still prejudice bitaw. Yeah,
like,
yeah.
sila ang mag-adjust during social settings.
Yeah,
Nana.
yeah.
So, I think kanang part kay very anthropological group siya na bilong.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
Okay.
tong part nga ningon tong Muslim bitaw nga American bitaw. Okay. So, ningon siya ba nga I think in the end I'll have to live with myself without like if I'm not going to live for myself and by myself, how are others going to distinguish without from her own originality if she's the same as everyone else? Ito bitaw mga statement which is the last statement. That was the best ending in my opinion bitaw kay especially po na to sa openings kanina nga na siya nga we identify as one tapos we identify as many. Itong statement bitaw sa Muslim girl kanina kay murag gi-conclude niya ba ang mga statements sa people sa uban ng mga tao nga nag-share sa ilang own experiences as a marginalized person or as a person who is still in an identity crisis marina na ba. So, I think katong sa last bito nga part na giingon niya kay that was like the cherry on top.
And murag sa katong sa last part kay murag na ingon or like gina-state na like other like sociological assumptions about you and then anthropological assumptions about you doesn't define who you are but only you can. So, yeah.
Word we identify as much as we construct an identity